Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you are doing well. So today I'm gonna share with you that how to how to solve internet problems, especially if your phone doesn't work. Even like your network is very slow, so how can you make it more faster? So first of all, you can go down settings, or you can find out settings three ways. First of all, you can little bit scroll down from the tab bar, so then you can go to on settings from here, and you also can go to on settings by searching app like recent app like from here, and also you can find the settings application from a search bar like settings, and then you can move directly. After that you will go to network and internet. After pressing on network and internet, and check your which SIM cards and network are you using for using internet connection. So just you will simply tap on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna tap on internet, and after tapping on it internet, so I'm just gonna check the connection. Okay, so I'm simply checking on it. Just okay, and then I need to scroll down a little bit. Okay, just for seeing the connection limit as well. Just I'm gonna tap on access plan names. Okay, so then I will just press on three dot button, and then I will reset to default and press on OK. And after that your internet connection will be erased, and all kinds of data will be removed, and internet will work very faster.